welcome to PC Woods Kids Tech Talk. Today from TerraMaster we have the D2-310 2-bay RAID storage device. I'm looking here at this external storage device that comes with a screwdriver, the screws so that you can install your hard drive, the adapter of course, and the USB Type-C cable. As you can see, that plugs in at the back. I'll show you that in just a moment. Let's go through the specs here. So again, you can install your favorite type of drive, whether it's a 2.5, 3.5 inch, a Western Digital Red, or a Seagate Iron Wolf NAS drive. Your favorite file system is supported, and of course up to 18 terabytes in size for the drives times 2 for a total of 36 terabytes. Wow. Single disk if you want, just another ordinary drive. RAID 0 or RAID 1, obviously RAID 1 being the best RAID value mode that it comes with. And hot swappable, of course, HDD sleep mode enabled. Yes, that's great. USB 3.1 Type-C, but it's the Gen 1. So the limitation here on copying is on the USB and, of course, on the type of drive that you install. So the faster the drive that you install, I mean, if you install an SSD, obviously it's going to utilize the full bandwidth. But in this case, TerraMaster used a hybrid Seagate drive to obtain 410 megs per second on the read and 400 megs per second on the write in RAID 0. You can see here the size and the weight. Yes, 1.3 kilograms sounds a little bit heavy. It is an aluminum enclosure with an 80mm fan to keep that nice and cool and quiet. With the smart mode enabled, it turns on when it needs to. And, well, 25 watts roughly there on the power consumption is pretty good, pretty decent. 2 watts on idle. And those are the temperature readings, again, on usage. You can see there, in case you're wondering. Supported OS, Mac, Windows. 2 years warranty. As you can see, they stand behind their product there. They'll replace it. And, well, I just mentioned some of those package contents, which you saw a second ago. So there we have it. Now, moving along to the drive itself, very nice, slick aluminum brushed finish. The 2 slots that are labeled 1 and 2 at the bottom come out. And it tells you here on this little sticker how to set the RAID. Of course, you can see this in the manual as well. On the back, you can set the RAID with a little screwdriver and turn that little dial to single, RAID 0, RAID 1, for example. There's a USB Type-C also connector there at the back in the power. There's the label for 1 and 2 for those drive bays. If you slide those out, then you can see the back, the SATA connector, and the fan. There's a little pin here that they come, they give it to you basically so in case you want to reset things. But, you know, the more that you use this, I think the more you're going to leave it as is, you know, for backup purposes. Maybe you want to run things right off of it. It's up to you. Many different use cases for that. It all depends, of course, on how fast your hard drives are and how reliable they are, right? So that you can read right to it and get good, decent performance. So there are some values there to give you an idea. Now, I obviously would recommend putting in 2 NAS drives in there. Personally, I use the Seagate Iron Wolf SSD or hard drive, you know, something that has sufficient amount of space, and put them in RAID 1, you know, so you can have good redundancy and backup. $159.99, by the way, US dollars, or you can get it for free through my giveaway. That's right. Be a subscriber of PC WizKid, number 1, to qualify. Number 2, subscribe to the TerraMaster YouTube channel. I'll add the link to their channel below. And number 3, send me an email to giveaway at PCWizKidsTechTalk.com and comment what you like the most about the D2-310. And I'll pick a lucky winner on September 10th at random from all the emails that I've received. And I'll notify you by email. Now remember, you got to click on subscribe. Otherwise, it will not be a qualified entry. Good luck to everyone. I'd like to thank TerraMaster for providing it. And again, thank you for watching.